How to delete Mailchimp contacts. So I'm in my Mailchimp homepage, and the way you'd want to delete your Mailchimp contacts is first go down and let's click on all contacts. Once here, you'll see a lot of contacts, but for my case, it'll just be one contact because I've only added one so far. And the first name is Whoops and last name is T. And this is Whoops because I'm not supposed to put this contact in. So let's delete this. The way you can delete this, if you press this, it'll select all the available contacts. But for my example, let's just delete this one. Here you'll see a bunch of options like tag contacts or email subscription. But the one we want to pay attention to is here. We can copy the audience, move the audience, archive contacts, or delete contacts. If you archive the contacts, it'll sort of be deleted, but you can recover it. Or there's a backup of it. But for this tutorial, we'll just delete the contacts. So let's just press this. And they'll ask you for the reason if they want to delete it or not. For permanently delete for compliance, they ask me to because blah, 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 blah. If archived, it's like what I just said earlier. Maybe if you want to just clean up, you can just archive it. But for my case, I'll just delete it instead. I'll continue to delete. And you'll need to type in this permanently delete to confirm. And then permanently delete. After that, the contact will be deleted forever. And that is how you delete your contacts in Mailchimp. It's as easy as that.